everyone! Welcome to my video. Today, I am a little angel. I will pick mushrooms, vegetables, and fruits. Then I will cook a delicious meal. Let's learn English together. I am a little angel. I am a little angel. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I want to make a meal. I want to make a meal. First, I go to forest. First, I go to the forest. The forest is green and quiet. The forest is green and quiet. I see many mushrooms. I see many mushrooms. I pick a small mushroom. I pick a small mushroom. I put it in my basket. I put it in my basket. I find more mushrooms. I find more mushrooms. Some mushrooms are big. Some mushrooms are big. Some mushrooms are small. Some mushrooms are small. I carefully pick good mushrooms. Now my basket has many mushrooms. Next, I walk to the garden. Next, I walk to the garden. The garden has many vegetables. The garden has many vegetables. I see fresh carrots. I see fresh carrots. I pull a carrot from the ground. I pull a carrot from the ground. The carrot is orange and clean. The carrot is orange and clean. I also pick green lettuce. I also pick green lettuce. The lettuce looks fresh and soft. The lettuce looks fresh and soft. I find some tomatoes. I find some tomatoes. The tomatoes are red and juicy. The tomatoes are red and juicy. My basket is getting full. My basket is getting full. Then I go to the fruit trees. Then I go to the fruit trees. I see apples on a tree. I see apples on a tree. The apples are red and sweet. The apples are red and sweet. I pick a few apples. I pick a few apples. I also find some bananas. I also find some bananas. The bananas are yellow and ripe. The bananas are yellow and ripe. Now my basket is full of food. Now my basket is full of food. I go back home. I go back home. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wash the fruits too. I wash the fruits too. I cut the carrots. I cut the carrots. I cut the mushrooms. I cut the mushrooms. I put everything on the table. I put everything on the table. I start cooking. I start cooking. I put mushrooms in a pan. I add vegetables. I add vegetables. The food smells very good. The food smells very good. I make a healthy meal. I make a healthy meal. I also cut some fruit. I also cut some fruit. The fruit looks colorful and fresh. The fruit looks colorful and fresh. I put the food on a plate. I put the food on a plate. The meal is ready. The meal is ready. I am very happy. I am very happy. I enjoy the delicious food. I enjoy the delicious food.
It is a wonderful day for me. It is a wonderful day for me.
I have a question for you. What fruit did I eat today?